Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss vitamins that boost testosterone. In reality, no vitamin increases testosterone unless there is a deficiency of that vitamin in the body, or a pathological condition associated with a deficiency of that vitamin. Friends, I want to point out that this is a live video, not generated, and I will be happy to answer your questions if you write them in the comments. The first vitamin we're going to discuss now is vitamin D. Vitamin D activates receptors in Leydig cells, which increase the expression of enzymes responsible for testosterone synthesis. That's the first point. Second, vitamin D increases the sensitivity of cells to luteinizing hormone. As a result, the release of testosterone is enhanced. Additionally, vitamin D increases the absorption of calcium and magnesium, which are necessary for the normal function of the gonads. Vitamin D reduces sex hormone-binding globulin, thereby increasing the proportion of testosterone. With vitamin D deficiency, the activity of steroidogenesis enzymes decreases and Leydig cells become dormant. The signal from the pituitary gland to the testes is disrupted. Cortisol levels and inflammatory cytokines increase. Our research shows that when taking vitamin D, testosterone synthesis increases on average by 25% if there is a vitamin D deficiency. The second study, which was published in the year 2014 in the journal Clinical Endocrinology, examined these findings. With vitamin D deficiency, testosterone synthesis in men decreases by 20%. Our second essential vitamin that significantly increases the production of testosterone is vitamin B6, a crucial nutrient for overall bodily function. Vitamin B6 is a coenzyme for the synthesis of dopamine, which inhibits prolactin, and prolactin is an antagonist of testosterone. This is the first mechanism by which vitamin B6 increases testosterone. The second mechanism, vitamin B6 stimulates the production of luteinizing hormone, which activates Leydig cells. The third mechanism, vitamin B6 improves the metabolism of proteins and amino acids, from which hormonal enzymes are formed. And finally, vitamin B6 supports optimal hemoglobin levels, improving oxygen delivery to the tissues of the testes. With a deficiency of vitamin B6, a condition arises in which prolactin increases and prolactin suppresses the synthesis of testosterone. The secretion of luteinizing hormone also significantly decreases, which subsequently leads to a considerably reduced testosterone synthesis within the body. And finally, due to vitamin B6 deficiency, cortisol levels increase and stress blocks testosterone synthesis. Our next vitamins that increase testosterone are vitamin E and ascorbic acid. These are antioxidants. They neutralize free radicals and protect Leydig cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin E restores cell membranes and improves cholesterol levels. Enhances cholesterol transport, which is the raw material for testosterone synthesis. And ascorbic acid lowers cortisol levels. You all know that under stress, testosterone synthesis decreases. The combined use of antioxidants produces a synergistic effect. With a deficiency of these vitamins, when there is a lack of antioxidants, Leydig cells are exposed to oxidative stress, and the activity of enzymes responsible for testosterone synthesis decreases. Mitochondria are damaged and the energy available for hormone synthesis decreases. In studies conducted in 2012, 48 men experienced an 18% increase in testosterone levels when taking vitamins E and C. The second study, a meta-analysis conducted in 2014, found that antioxidant vitamins reduce lipid peroxidation and preserve Leydig cells. That was the conclusion. Our last vitamin that increases testosterone is vitamin A. Vitamin A is necessary for activating the genes that initiate cholesterol transport into the mitochondria of Leydig cells. Vitamin A is involved in regulating the expression of luteinizing hormone receptors and increases the sensitivity of the testes to pituitary signals. Vitamin A supports the integrity of the seminiferous tubules and spermatogenesis. With vitamin A deficiency, the expression of genes responsible for steroidogenesis decreases. Production of luteinizing hormone also decreases, spermatogenesis is disrupted, and testosterone synthesis drops. In conclusion, I want to say this. Once again, it is important to note that no vitamin or mineral will significantly increase testosterone if there is no deficiency of that vitamin or mineral in the body, or if there is no condition that arises due to a deficiency of that vitamin. If you eat properly and consume healthy food, you won't develop any vitamin deficiencies. If you have any questions left, please write to me. I would really appreciate it.